Okay, so paano natin i-increase yung honor points sa Kabal? So, honor rank 11. Paano natin to i-increase easily? And yeah, let's start. So, dapat na-unlock nyo na yung collection. So, may video ko dun how to unlock collection if you reach level 100. So, maraming reward na honor point. So, yung pinakamadali special. So, this one, like 300. Potion of Honor. So, this one, patapusin natin to para click yan. Autofill. And we unlock this. Receive. And open that. Yup, honor points increase. So, that's how we're gonna do it. So, ganun, napakadali. And ayun yung paraan para madali. Hindi lahat ng binabasag nyong item ay useless. Magagamit yung mga collection na yun sa near future anyway. So, ayun yung useful ng collection.